Well, good day, and I love you. I have delicious, delightful information for you today to help you increase your energy, upgrade your vitality, and recalibrate your body and your being. Yes, it would appear that many of today's men, at least in the United States of America, are experiencing issues with their conductivity. This is manifesting in low testosterone, low self-esteem, low self-worth, low energy, and its influence in their productivity. Many men are experiencing less function in their junction, if you know what I mean. And so they are seeking alternative therapies to try to get themselves right and to achieve balance and to get their strong back. Well, what if I told you that you could simply clean out what the heck you put on your skin and in your mouth, and you could increase conductivity in your own body and restore function better than you ever had before? I know it sounds delicious, doesn't it? Tell me about it. All right, so let's get to it. Let's start with the word conductivity. What the hell does that mean? You are a conductive vessel. You are a bioelectric superconductor. The human is electric. Every time the human moves, each and every muscle is encased in a casing called fascia. And every time you move, the fascia creates electronic impulse. One muscle talking to the next, creating a divine chain of communication and conductivity. And that's when things are working real well. One muscle's talking to the next and everything works as it is designed. But in today's human, we are introducing all these foreign chemicals, specifically in our personal care products, that are coming in through our skin and messing up our systems. Our skin, this beautiful skin I'm in, is the largest, most bioavailable organ I have. So anything I put on my skin comes directly into all of my systems, specifically my endocrine system, affecting stress response and hormone production. And so if we're using personal care products that contain heavy metals, specifically aluminum, fluoride, parabens, sulfates, baking soda, and dyes, then each and every day when I use these products, they're coming into my body, affecting all of my systems and my overall conductivity. Conductivity is life force energy. Conductivity is vitality. So for today, here are 3 products that you can retrofit your self-care program with and start increasing your function, reducing your stress, and improving how you look and feel. Number 1 is fluoride-free toothpaste. If you are still using toothpaste with fluoride, you need to get rid of that crap. Fluoride is a waste product. It does not make your teeth stronger. Your teeth are enamel. They do not absorb shit. That was a hustle. Yeah. So if we're using a toothpaste with fluoride, we are consuming a toxin that creates an inability for our body to rid itself of heavy metals. When we get a heavy metal backup with aluminum, we start to have problems in our brain. Alzheimer's is too much aluminum in the brain. Using fluoride toothpaste every day decreases our body's ability to rid itself of heavy metals. Number 2, find a deodorant that is free of dye, of parabens, of sulfites, and of aluminum. You're starting to get the picture here with just 2 products, right? You're putting this stuff on your skin that's coming right in and then staying in there clogging up your shit. Number 3 is your soap. This is Castile soap. It's made from coconut oil. It is free of sulfates. It is free of parabens. It is free of dyes. And it is also free of one of the things I completely forgot to mention, fragrances. Fragrance is one of the worst things for our endocrine system. They're actually these little molecules that stay stuck in things. That's why when grandma sprayed her scarf 30 years ago with her favorite perfume and then tucked it in the bag, 30 years later you can still smell that. Yeah, because they're actually little molecules stuck in that, and those little molecules come into your body and jack your shit up. So opt for Castile soap, a soap with no fragrances, no sulfates, no parabens, and no dyes, and it's more affordable. So here's 3 products that you can swap out ASAP and start improving your health immediately, increasing conductivity. You don't have to use these exact brands. These are just examples, but you want to opt for products that do not have all this nasty stuff in it that we don't need. And not only do we not need it, we don't want it. If you would like to know more about how to update your health, upgrade your happiness, and improve your sexy by recalibrating your self-care and your nutrition, send me an email to VitalityQuantumHealth@gmail.com. Today is a new day on planet Earth, and the good news is information is presenting and companies are responding. And many are making new products that are much better for our vitality. Increase vitality and be who you want to be. I think that's the name of the game. Delicious, delightful, sexy, and vital. Ooh, that's where I want to be. Thank you so much for being here, y'all. I love you so big.